Hey there, budget buddies. If you're tired of letting your money slip through your fingers and want a simple way to track your spending without spending a cent, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use the EveryDollar free version, a fantastic tool from Dave Ramsey's team that's perfect for beginners. Let's get started. First off, what is EveryDollar? It's an easy-to-use budgeting app that helps you plan your finances, track your expenses, and stay on top of your money goals. The free version gives you all the basics you need, no premium features required. To begin, head over to the EveryDollar website or download the app from your phone's app store. Once you're there, sign up for a free account. You'll just need an email and a password, super straightforward. Now that you're logged in, the fun part begins, setting up your budget. Start by entering your total monthly income. EveryDollar uses a zero-based budgeting system, which means every dollar you earn gets a job. Next, list out your expenses in categories like housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. Be honest with yourself. This is your roadmap to financial freedom. As you go through your month, add your transactions manually or link your bank account if you prefer. The app makes it easy to categorize each purchase, so you can see where your money is going at a glance. Don't forget to check in regularly. EveryDollar has a dashboard that shows you how much you've spent in each category and how much you have left. One of the best features is the ability to adjust your budget on the fly. If you overspend in one area, you can cut back in another to stay balanced. And at the end of the month, review your progress, celebrate your wins, and learn from any slip-ups. Using EveryDollar's free version can transform the way you handle money, helping you build better habits without any cost. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try today and take the first step toward a stress-free financial life. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips.